Imagine this. It's Monday morning. You've finally convinced yourself to hit the gym after a weekend of Netflix and, well, more Netflix. But as you're lifting that dumbbell, halfway through a burpee, you feel it, a sudden drop in energy, like your body just hit low battery. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you there's a tiny seed that could power you up like a superhero's breakfast? Yup, I'm talking about chia seeds. These little powerhouses might just be the secret weapon your morning routine has been missing. Let's dive in. First off, let's get a little historical. Chia seeds aren't just the latest social media trend, they've been around for centuries. The ancient Aztecs and Mayans used to munch on them for energy and endurance. In fact, the word chia is derived from the Mayan word for strength. So if you're looking to conquer your day like a warrior, chia seeds might just be your new best friend. Now let's talk fiber. Chia seeds are absolutely loaded with it. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds contains a whopping 10 grams of fiber. That's about a third of your daily recommended intake. But what's the big deal about fiber, you ask? Well, fiber is like your digestive system's best friend. It helps keep things moving smoothly, if you know what I mean. Plus, fiber can help you feel fuller longer, which means you're less likely to reach for that second donut. A study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that chia seeds can help improve digestion and reduce inflammation. So, not only will you be regular, but your gut will also be saying, thank you. Next up, let's talk about fats, but not just any fats. These are the good guys, the omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3s, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. These fats are crucial for brain health, reducing inflammation, and even giving your skin that extra glow. According to the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, omega-3s can help lower your risk of heart disease and improve cognitive function. So, adding chia seeds to your diet might just make you a little sharper, and who doesn't want that? Protein isn't just for bodybuilders and gym rats, it's essential for everyone. Chia seeds pack about 4 grams of protein per ounce, making them a fantastic plant-based protein source. This is especially great news for vegetarians and vegans out there. Protein helps build and repair tissues, and it's also crucial for making enzymes, hormones, and other body chemicals. A study from nutrition research found that diets high in plant-based proteins like chia seeds can help maintain muscle mass and promote overall health. So, whether you're lifting weights or lifting groceries, chia seeds have got your back. But wait, there's more. Chia seeds are also packed with antioxidants. These are the little warriors that fight off free radicals, those pesky molecules that can cause aging and diseases like cancer. So by sprinkling chia seeds on your breakfast, you might just be fighting off wrinkles and keeping your cells happy. The Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry highlights that chia seeds have a high antioxidant content, which can help prevent cell damage and promote longevity. So you're not just eating for today, you're investing in a healthier tomorrow. Okay, so we've established that chia seeds are basically the superhero of the seed world, but how do you actually eat them? The good news is they're super versatile. You can sprinkle them on your oatmeal, toss them in your smoothie, mix them into your yogurt, or even make chia pudding, which, by the way, tastes like dessert, but is totally healthy. I mean, who wouldn't want to eat something that's both delicious and ridiculously good for you? Just mix chia seeds with your favorite milk, add a touch of honey or maple syrup, let it sit overnight, and boom, breakfast is ready. So there you have it, chia seeds, tiny but mighty, and packed with benefits that can help you stay full, keep your heart healthy, your brain sharp, and your body strong. Next time you're at the grocery store, grab a bag of these little powerhouses and start adding them to your meals. Your body will thank you, and who knows, you might just find yourself with the energy to power through those Monday morning burpees. No coffee required. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips, and leave a comment on how you like to enjoy your chia seeds. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and stay chia full.